everybody, I am making a very simple salad today. It's an NYT cooking recipe. I'm obsessed with their recipes and constantly just looking through their feed and trying out different things. So this is really easy. I've got a cup of quinoa cooked. It ends up being over a couple of cups. And I cooked it in chicken broth, but you could easily do water if you want it to be completely vegetarian. I have black beans that I'm gonna add to the salad here. 1 can of cooked black beans. I have spring peas these were actually frozen, so I just simmered them in a little bit of boiling water. And then we're actually gonna be using Malibu Mylk for the dressing. So a hack that I learned a couple of months ago is that you can make homemade buttermilk with plant-based milk. It's really easy to do. Basically, you take vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar because it's really great for your gut. So I used a little over a teaspoon of vinegar and I put it in the measuring cup here. And then I'm gonna add plant-based milk, Malibu Mylk of course, until I get 1/4 cup. So buttermilk has a little bit of, acidity to it. I'm gonna give this a stir. And this is, usually you'd wanna let this sit for about 10-15 minutes to let the acidity blend in with the milk. But this is a great way to make homemade buttermilk. So now you know. So I have the black beans, the peas, I have organic orange bell pepper that I've sliced. I'm gonna add this to the salad. I have beautiful heirloom tomato that I got at the farmer's market yesterday. So adding this. And then for our dressing, I put about a tablespoon of lime juice. I use this jarred garlic. It's so much easier than getting it all over your hands. I use a little bit of ground cumin. So we have the cumin, the lime juice, the garlic in here, and now I'm going to mix it with olive oil. This is my favorite organic olive oil, Cuisini. I found it on Amazon. I love Greek olive oil and I've purchased it in Greece a few times, but this had really great reviews and it was only 17 bucks a bottle, so I decided to try it and I will never go back. It has the most incredible flavor and it's organic, and like I said, it's only 17 bucks, so highly, highly, highly recommend. So I'm going to mix this olive oil into the lemon juice. Oh, and I also have a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. So I'm gonna blend this all up. And then I'm gonna add this to our buttermilk mixture. So it's like a creamy dressing. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, because pink Himalayan salt has minerals in it. I'm also gonna salt the salad a little bit. Once this is blended, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a taste. Really good, the cumin and the lime juice really pop. So I'm gonna pour this over our salad. And I'm gonna finish it with some fresh cilantro. You could use parsley if you don't like cilantro, and some people aren't fans of cilantro. Then I'm gonna mix it all up. Give it a little bit of a toss. So easy, so fast, super flavorful, super healthy, tons of fiber, not only from the Malibu Mylk, but from the organic black beans.